Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to easily download files from Mega. Whether someone shared a link with you or you're accessing your own files, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Alright, first open your browser and go to the Mega link you received or the file you want to download. It'll look something like mega.nz, your link here. Now, once the page loads, you'll see a preview of the file or folder. Mega will show the file name, type, and size right here in the middle of the screen. To start downloading, just click the Download button. You'll see two options: Download with Browser, Download with Mega app. Let's go ahead and click Download with Browser. This is the simplest option, especially if you don't have the Mega desktop app installed. Now Mega will start fetching and decrypting the file. This part happens right in your browser, so just make sure you have enough space and a stable internet connection. Once the progress bar hits 100%, your browser will automatically start downloading the file, and it'll go into your Downloads folder, or whatever default location your browser uses. If the file is large, you might want to use the Mega desktop app for more stability. To do that, go to mega.io, click on Apps, and download the Mega desktop app for your system. Once installed, you can log in and download files directly with better speed and resume support. And that's it. Super simple. Now you know how to download files from Mega safely and quickly. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how-to guides. Got a question? Drop it in the comments. I'll try to help out. Thanks for watching.